Hello and welcome to this new video on how to get satellite view in your Google Maps. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your Google Maps application, and when you're inside the home page of the Google Maps, you just have to look on the top right hand side of the screen. There will be a circular icon, or you can also see it as your profile icon. So just click on it and a pop-up box will appear right in front of your screen. And on the bottom of the pop-up box, there will be options like help and feedback, settings, your data in maps. So you just have to click on the settings, and your settings section will appear right in front of your screen. I just have to scroll down a little bit until you are able to see the text start maps in satellite view. So in order to start your map in satellite view, you just have to enable that particular feature. And when you have enabled that particular feature, you just have to go back to the home screen, and you will be able to see that your Google Maps will be now started with the satellite view. So this is how to easily get satellite view on Google Maps. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.